Is life a straight line that begins at birth and ends at death? Or is existence a sacred circle of continuous transformation? Our African ancestors believed that life moves in cycles, not endings. Today we conclude this Divine Order series by exploring the great circle of life through Igbo cosmology and Ancient Kemet. Stand beside a river. Watch its water flow. The water passing before you never remains the same. Yet the river continues. Look at the seasons. Spring becomes summer. Summer becomes autumn. Autumn becomes winter. Winter returns once again to spring. Nothing truly disappears. Everything transforms. Our ancestors observed these patterns and concluded that existence itself moves in cycles. In Igbo cosmology, life is often understood through interconnected cycles of birth, growth, maturity, transition, and ancestral remembrance. While traditions differ among communities, there is a broad understanding that the living, those yet to be born, and the honored ancestors are connected through family, memory, and continuity. Death was not viewed simply as an ending. It marked a transition in the cycle of existence and remembrance. This perspective encouraged people to think beyond individual achievement. A meaningful life included raising future generations, preserving wisdom, strengthening the community, and leaving behind a good name. In many Igbo communities, the memory of honorable ancestors remains alive through stories, names, customs, and the values they passed on. In this way, the influence of a life continues long after physical death. Now let us journey into Ancient Kemet. The Egyptians also understood existence as a continuous process of renewal. The daily rising of the sun symbolized rebirth. The annual flooding of the Nile symbolized regeneration. The changing heavens reflected continuity rather than finality. Many of their sacred teachings explored the soul's ongoing relationship with truth, moral responsibility, and the enduring order of the cosmos. The lesson was profound. Creation itself never stops becoming. Seeds become trees. Trees become forests. Forests nourish countless forms of life. The end of one cycle becomes the beginning of another. Both Igbo and Kemetic traditions remind us that human beings often fear endings because we focus only on what is leaving. But nature teaches us to also look for what is beginning. When a child becomes an adult, childhood ends. But wisdom begins. When one chapter of life closes, another chapter opens. Transformation is woven into the fabric of existence. This understanding changes how we live. If life is a circle rather than a straight line, then every action matters. The kindness you show today may shape generations you will never meet. The wisdom you share today may become the foundation upon which others build. The values you preserve today become the inheritance of tomorrow. This is why ancestors remain important. Not because the past should control us, but because memory connects us. We receive wisdom from those who came before us. We add our own chapter. Then we pass that wisdom forward. We become links in an unbroken chain. Divine Order teaches that no life stands alone. You are connected to those who prepared the path before you. You are responsible to those walking beside you. And you have obligations to those who will follow after you. The great circle of life reminds us that the question is not simply, how long will I live? The deeper question is, what will continue because I lived? Will your kindness continue? Will your integrity continue? Will your courage continue? Will your wisdom continue? Because in the African understanding of divine order, immortality is not only remembered in monuments. It is also remembered in transformed lives. When your knowledge inspires another person, when your compassion heals a wounded heart, when your example encourages someone to choose truth, part of you continues the journey. That is the great circle of life. And perhaps that is one of the greatest gifts our ancestors left us. The understanding that every ending can become a new beginning, and every meaningful life becomes part of an eternal story. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Divine Order series. If these teachings have deepened your understanding of African spirituality, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment telling me which lesson impacted you the most. Subscribe and follow for more deep explorations into Igbo cosmology, Ancient Kemet, and the timeless wisdom of Africa. Until next time, remember, wisdom is not just something we learn, it is something we live.